host at CSL Learning School. In our last two classes, we have learned the sound. One is alphabetical sound, another one is phonetical sound. Today we are going to see the roots of it. That is, যে আমাদের ভয়েসের কিংবা ফেশিয়াল এক্সপ্রেশনের কিংবা মাউথ অর্গানসের কোথা থেকে সে সাউন্ডগুলো আসে। So let's see. All right. So you can see that we have divided the vocal cords of our mouth in 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And from these 7 parts, we utter all the sound. The first one is bilabial. Bilabial is the sound which comes from your lips. Okay. Then it's come the labiodental. Labiodental is the in between your teeth and your lips. Okay. Then linguadental. Linguadental is with the sound which comes with the touch of your tongue and teeth. The fourth one is lingua alveolar, which is the sound which comes from the back side of your teeth. Okay. After that, lingua palatal. That is the sound which comes with the touch of your upper jaw and your tongue. Okay. Lingua alveolar. That is the sound which comes from your throat. That is from here. And last but not the least is the glottal. Glottal, যেটা আমরা বলি একদম ভেতর থেকে সাউন্ডটা চলে আসা. So let's see some of the examples. As you can see, here are the signs has given, okay, of phonetical sounds. So let's see some of the examples, then it might be clear for you. Okay, so as you can see, both the pictures together. The first one is bilabial. The sounds spy, which I'm using my lips together. Baby, man, then wood. So you can see the sounds are getting from the inner side gradually. যে আস্তে আস্তে আমি ভেতর থেকে সাউন্ড গুলো বলছি, শুরু করলাম লিপস থেকে এবং আস্তে আস্তে যাচ্ছে ভেতরে. Okay, then the labiodental, fall, very. You can see there is a slight touch of my teeth and my lips together. Okay. And then interdental, that is thought or breathe. Here, the tongue and the teeth touches together. Okay. Alveolar sound ki top. সরাসরি একটা sound আসছে top. Dad, sad, zebra, butter, nope, light, red, should, Asia. Okay, তারপরে চলে আসছে post alveolar, that is red, should, Asia. Okay, and then palatal, that is yes. Okay, then velar, cat, go, sing. Last but not the least, that is the glottal sound, that is happy. Oh, so these are the things for today.